Hi, it's Jenny. Welcome back to my channel. I created this mani for an Instagram contest hosted by Anna from My Bliss Kiss, and I wanted to show you guys how I did it. I used this gorgeous blue shine nail polish called Winter Dust as a base for all my nails. And on my thumb and ring finger, I applied this holographic nail polish, which is number 7. But since the stamping looks so pretty, I decided to remove the holographic nails, and I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how I created that. We'll begin by applying 2 coats of this beautiful blue shine polish called Winter Dust. Here's the second coat. Here's what it looks like with 2 coats. We'll be using Ejiubas plate EJB-X13. The image is located on the back side of the plate. This is the one we're going to use today. I'll be stamping with these 2 polishes. We'll start with the blue. Now we'll do the lighter shade. First, I'm going to apply my Born Pretty No Smudge top coat. Once that's dry, I'll be using my Sally Hansen Miracle Gel matte top coat. Let's wait for it to dry. And here's the completed manicure. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks so much for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye!